Hello, this is Sad and welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to create a screenshot from your desktop or laptop. And I will show you by three process for taking screenshot. So okay, let's get started. First process is first of all you have to open your search box. Then you have to type SNIPPING. Then you have to open this tool. Now click on new. Then you will show that this window. And here from you just click on your left button of mouse, then just move your mouse, then close your mouse button. Okay, here from if you want to highlight any specific software, then you can use this tool. Then you can highlight like that. I am highlighting YouTube, then WhatsApp, then Mozilla Firefox. And if you want to mark any software, then you can use this tool. I am marking CapCut and Google Chrome browser. Okay, then if you want to remove anything, then you can use this tool. So okay, then you just click on this button for saving. Save. Yes. Complete first process. And second process is Windows plus Shift plus S. After that you will see this view. Therefore, if you want to take any specific place, then you can use this tool. And if you want to hold screenshot your screen, then you can use this one. So okay, I am using this one. You just click your left mouse button, then just move your mouse, then just close your mouse button. Okay, your screenshot done. Then third process is you have to tap Windows plus PRTSC button. Then also your screenshot automatically save. And now if you want to see those screenshot, then you have to go this PC, then pictures, then screenshots. Now you can see those screenshots from here. So like that you can take a screenshot by three process. So if my video be helpful for you, so like and don't forget to do subscribe, and see you in next video. Bye bye for today.